Hi everyone, welcome back to another Connecting Your Creativity. I'm Alex, and this week we will be making origami foxes. All right, let's get started. For this tutorial, you will need one sheet of origami paper, preferably in red or brown, but your choice of color, and a pen. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the red side, or the side that you are going to be seeing face down. And then we're going to make our X. So to make our X, we're going to begin by taking one of our corners and folding it diagonally and making sure that those tips line up really well and securely folding it. And then when we open it back up, we should have one line of our X. And so we will spin it, and on the other side, we will be doing the same thing. So we're going to line up our edges and firmly solidify our fold. And then when we open it back up this time, it should have our X. So we're going to close it back up again. And we're going to be using this triangle, downward facing triangle. So this triangle should be facing you, a downwards one. And then we can take one of our edges and along the fold, we're going to secure this. So if our triangles are facing us, this fold should look like this, and we're going to do the next fold the same way. So at this point, we should have a triangle and a diamond. And on this side, it should be completely flat with no edges. But on this side, it should have some little flaps that can open. And we're going to open it so the flaps that are open are on the bottom. So again, if we have this figure, we're going to fold it this way. Perfect. And now we should have a triangle again, except this time there should be one that can open up like this versus this side that should be attached. So this one should be unattached. And we're going to with your triangle facing down, we're going to make this fold. So with your triangle facing down this way, you're going to want to, from this point, very lightly go ahead and open this up and solidify that fold. And we're going to do it again. So we opened up this one, and there should be a middle one as well. So there should be this one as well. And this one, we're going to open and make a squash fold. Like so. I just want to reiterate this again. So starting from this point where we have our first diagonal fold, we're going to, as you can see, we have like 3, and we're going to take this middle one and we're going to squash it, and that should be our fox's face. And the last fold we're going to want to make is right here to kind of make it look like his tail is curled around him. And then we can take our pen and fill in a little nose and eyes And there you have it, an origami fox. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you next week for another Connecting with Creativity. Bye.